Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can trade the continuation of the market, because they always say the trend is always your friend. But in this video I want to show you the analysis that I made in the private group. So if you want to join, the link is in the description below. So guys, in this video I want to show you a couple of more things that made me to think that this market is going to be bullish. This is going to be a short video, but stay tuned so that we can do this analysis very quickly. So in this video, as you can see, I was saying the market is going to be bullish from around here, okay? And then you can see that we have two zones, this one and this one here. But I chose this one because of the fair value gap. And then the take profit is in this area and in this one here and even this one. So let's move on to a real chart so that I can demonstrate how I made that analysis. As we can see, price right now is close to the first take profit. And then from here guys, I made this analysis based on the daily engulfing candle. So I'll just erase everything so that I can demonstrate everything. So let's move on to the daily time frame, the 1 day. As we can see from the daily time frame here guys, someone could have said we are still on a resistance. Here is your resistance level over here. Let me change this color to black. We are still on a resistance level, as you can see over here guys. And then we as all traders, we don't see the same things at the same time. Someone could have said the market has broken the trend line here, and then he is looking like to go long around this area. But another trader could have said we are still in a bearish trend. We are still in a bearish trend over here, and then he or she will be looking to go bearish from around this area. But I was looking to go long because of the current price action over here. But because we don't see the same things as all traders, I was looking at only this area here only. I was avoiding what the trend is telling me to do. So from here in the daily time frame, I saw that okay, we have a zone around this area. We have a demand zone. Let me do this. Zone 1. We have a demand zone over here, and I was trying to catch this low. Okay, so I just made a horizontal line from this daily. I was not even trying to confirm this kind of trade setup because all I see was just a bullish move. So from here guys, I just move on to the 1 hour, because the lower time frame of the daily for me is 1 hour, the 30 minutes, and even the 45 minutes, and even the 50 minutes sometimes. But it all depends on the current price action, what it's telling me to do. So from here we can see that we have this higher time frame horizontal line, okay? And then we have on this 1 hour, I was looking for price to go below or even touch this daily horizontal line first. So this was my invalidation level. I'll just write everything down so that everybody can understand. This is my invalidation level for in case if price go below this, it will invalidate this trade setup. Okay, so right now, because we have a invalidation level, I was looking to trade below this daily horizontal line. Okay, right now, because we have a daily horizontal line over here, then I was looking for zones around, below this daily horizontal line. And I noticed this zone here. And I noticed this one over here. Okay, so for me to say that price is not going to touch this this zone over here was very significant. So let me explain to you guys. We are going to consider the weeks. We can see the week from here to here. We can see that price closed this gap here, in between this gap over here. We can see that from this week over here is closed by this candlestick, like meaning a price touched the previous candle's high with this one here. So that means this gap here, this fair value gap here is closed. This gap here is closed. So that means this zone is not valid anymore for me. Okay, and then we move on. we can see that right now we still have another zone, another wick here, but price never closed it. We can see that this wick here didn't touch this candle's high here, so that means this zone will be valid for me to trade. Okay, so right now we have something like this, which is way too complicated. And then another thing that I did, let me remove everything so that we can make this chart a little bit cleaner, because we already know every information from here. That means my analysis is like this, and price action was around this area. So from this, what you can do is to wait for the market to come and touch this zone and then close with a bullish candle. So price, we can see that it touched the zone with this candlestick. So if you are greedy like me, you can put your buy limit order here with this candlestick. Below this, I think I made a video about explaining every sniper entry, but it's not fully in depth. But in the future, if you keep watching this channel, you will understand, because there's some videos that are still coming where I'm going to explain everything for you in details. You can put your buy limit order around here or even here, because we already know that this candlestick touched the zone and then closed bullish. That means we have a confirmation that the market is trying to push higher. And then you can also try to put your buy limit order around here again when this candlestick closes, and then when the market comes here, it will trigger your entry, or even here. So for take profit, I think I started that take profit around this area here. Yeah, I think around this area. I think I didn't do it like properly, but it doesn't even matter. Yeah, I think I did it around here. Yeah. Then I drew my trend line like this. This is going to be ugly, guys. You don't have to worry. And then I just put my trend line like not close to here, but around here. And then I just predicted that the market will just push higher to around that area. So for now, the market is still bullish. And if you have checked the previous weekly market analysis, you will understand that I was making those analysis like very fast, so you don't have to stress about it. Wait for another weekly market analysis. So you can use this kind of pattern. Let me explain something, guys. You can use this kind of trade setup in your daily analysis so that everything can be a little bit simpler. You can trade only one pattern. Okay, I like to trade this kind of pattern because it can be a little bit harder, and for me to trade this kind of pattern, it also benefit me from stressing too much about where I am entering, where I am going to put my stop loss, where is my take profit, and all of that. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel and keep waiting for more content like this one, where I explain how I made that analysis. And there are like 7 rules to this trading pattern, guys. If you want to know about it, the link is in the description below if you want to join and learn this. And because some of you guys keep asking me the same question, I don't trade the smart money, I trade the waves. I use the smart money maybe for like 1% or so, because smart money for me alone will just make you to fail. I use the Elliott wave the most. So keep watching. I'll put some link in the description below for more content if you want to keep learning and improve. So see you on the next one.